Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix you can't send messages on TikTok. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. TikTok just had an update recently where they've limited the inboxes based on a certain age requirement. So the new limitations is that you have to be 16 years old or older in order to message on TikTok. So if you sign up for TikTok and you said that you were under 16, 15 or under, then you won't be able to message on TikTok. However, sometimes people sign up and they just randomly put in an age and actually don't put in their real age. And you might have put in that you were 15 when you were really 18. If that's the case, you can always go in and request TikTok to change that age. So first you'll tap on the profile icon at the bottom right here, and then the three dots at the top right. And then select settings and privacy, and you'll just scroll down till you find report a problem, and then scroll down again to the bottom and tap on submit a report. And here's where you can basically type in, hey, I accidentally put in that I was 15, but I'm really 18. I would highly recommend offering to upload or send your government ID, driver's license, whatever to be able to prove that you're certain age, and then they should be able to change that. So that's one limitation if you can't message anyone. However, if there's a specific person that you can't message, let's go back out of here and then tap on the three dots again, and then tap on settings and privacy. And go to privacy, so if there's a specific person that you cannot message, the reason might be you can see who can send you direct messages. I have it set to friends. However, if that account has set it to no one, then they've chosen to not let anyone to send messages to them on TikTok. So if that's the case, then there's really absolutely nothing you can do. You can comment on their videos if you want to try to engage with them. So that's basically how you can fix you can't send messages on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.